What is the maximum annual income on which salaried individuals pay nil income tax under the new tax regime? Correct answer. C. 12.75 lakh rupees. Explanation: the new tax regime allows salaried individuals earning up to 12,75,000 rupees per annum to pay no tax due to the 75,000 rupees standard deduction. Two, by how much has the fiscal deficit been targeted to reduce in fiscal year 2025-26? Correct answer. B. From 4.8% to 4.4%. Explanation: the government aims to reduce the fiscal deficit from 4.8% to 4.4% in the next financial year. Number 3. What is the primary aim of the Prime Minister Dandanya Krishi Yojana? Correct answer: A. Crop diversification and irrigation improvements. Explanation: the scheme focuses on improving productivity, storage, irrigation, and credit access for farmers. Number 4. What is the loan limit increase under the Kisan Credit Card? Correct answer: D. 3 lakh rupees to 5 lakh rupees. Explanation: the budget increased the loan limit for Kisan Credit Card to 5 lakh rupees to support farmers financially. Number 5. What is the enhanced guarantee cover provided to MSMEs under the budget? Correct answer: C. 5 crore rupees to 15 crore rupees. Explanation: the government has increased the credit guarantee cover to MSMEs from 5 crore rupees to 15 crore rupees to facilitate better access to capital. Number 6. Which sector has been given a dedicated national manufacturing mission under the budget? Correct answer: B. Small, medium, and large industries. Explanation: the budget includes a national manufacturing mission to boost domestic production across industries. Number 7. How many Atal Tinkering Labs will be set up in government schools in the next 5 years? Correct answer: C. 50,000. Explanation: the budget proposes setting up 50,000 Atal Tinkering Labs to promote innovation and technology education in schools. Number 8. What is the total budget allocation for the Center of Excellence in Artificial Intelligence for Education? Correct answer: C. 500 crore rupees. Explanation: the government has allocated 500 crore rupees to establish a Center of Excellence in AI for Education. Number 9. What is the amount allocated for the Urban Challenge Fund to develop cities as growth hubs? Correct answer: B. 1 lakh crore rupees. Explanation: the Urban Challenge Fund has been allocated 1 lakh crore rupees to make cities economic growth hubs. Number 10. How many new destinations will be added under the modified UDAN scheme to improve regional connectivity? Correct answer: D. 120. Explanation: the UDAN scheme will now cover 120 new destinations to enhance air connectivity in remote areas. Number 11. What is the budget allocation for private sector driven research, development, and innovation initiatives? Correct answer: C. 20,000 crore rupees. Explanation: the budget sets aside 20,000 crore rupees to support research and innovation in the private sector. Number 12. Which initiative is launched for the conservation of Indian manuscripts? Correct answer: B. Gyan Bharatam Mission. Explanation: the Gyan Bharatam mission aims to survey, document, and conserve over 1 crore Indian manuscripts. Number 13. What is the proposed digital public infrastructure for international trade called? Correct answer: A. Bharat TradeNet. Explanation: Bharat TradeNet is a unified platform for trade documentation and financing solutions. Number 14. The government will facilitate infrastructure upgradation for which export sector? Correct answer: B. Air cargo, including perishable horticulture produce. Explanation: the budget focuses on improving air cargo infrastructure to support perishable horticulture exports. Number 15. What is the new FDI limit for the insurance sector? Correct answer C. 100%. Explanation: the budget proposes to increase the FDI limit for the insurance sector from 74% to 100%. Number 16. The Jan Vishwas Bill 2.0 aims to decriminalize how many provisions across various laws? Correct answer C. 100. Explanation: the Jan Vishwas Bill 2.0 aims to decriminalize over 100 provisions to ease business regulations. Number 17. Which new initiative has been introduced for gig workers under the budget? Correct answer C. Identity cards and registration on eShram portal. Explanation: the budget provides identity cards and registration on the eShram portal for gig workers, ensuring access to healthcare under PM Jan Arogya Yojana. Number 18. What is the increase in the TDS threshold for rent under the new tax regime? Correct answer C. 2.4 lakh rupees to 6 lakh rupees. Explanation: the TDS threshold for rent has been increased from 2.4 lakh rupees to 6 lakh rupees to reduce compliance burdens on taxpayers. Number 19. Which medicines are exempted from basic customs duty under the budget? Correct answer B. 36 life-saving drugs, including those for cancer, rare and chronic diseases. Explanation: the government has exempted basic customs duty on 36 life-saving medicines to make critical healthcare more affordable. Number 20. How has the period for filing updated income tax returns been extended? Correct answer B. From 2 years to 4 years. Explanation: taxpayers can now file updated returns within 4 years instead of the previous 2 years, encouraging voluntary compliance. Number 21. What is the total outlay for the Nuclear Energy Mission for Small Modular Reactors, SMRs? Correct answer C. 20,000 crore rupees. Explanation: the budget provides 20,000 crore rupees for R&D of small modular reactors under the Nuclear Energy Mission to advance clean energy. Number 22. What modification has been made under the UDAN scheme in the budget? Correct answer C. Regional connectivity expanded to 120 new destinations. Explanation: the government has expanded the UDAN scheme to 120 new destinations to boost regional air connectivity. Number 23. Which raw materials and components are exempted from customs duty for 10 years to boost shipbuilding? Correct answer B. Raw materials and components used for shipbuilding. Explanation: the government has exempted BCD on shipbuilding raw materials to enhance domestic manufacturing. Number 24. What is the revised BCD on interactive flat panel displays IFPDs? Correct answer B. Increased to 20%. Explanation: the government increased BCD on IFPDs to 20% to encourage local production under Make in India. Thank you for watching. Appreciate your time. Like, comment, and subscribe for more. Your support keeps us motivated to create great content. See you next time with more exciting insights.